Here are some facts about why yawning is social. You might think yawning is just a reflex, but it's actually a social invitation. When you yawn, you're showing the inside of your mouth, which is a vulnerable spot. And by doing so, you're inviting others to come closer and take a look. Yawning also helps to establish a connection between you and the person you're talking to. By mirroring each other's yawns, you're showing that you're in sync and that you understand each other's perspective. This is called contagious yawning, and it's only done with people you know and trust. Yawning can also be a way to show dominance or submission. If you yawn widely with your mouth open, you're showing that you're in charge. But if you yawn with your mouth closed, you're showing that you're submissive. Finally, yawning is a way to regulate your emotions. When you're nervous or anxious, you might yawn to calm yourself down. Or when you're bored, you might yawn to show that you're not interested.